What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Bonk. And yes guys, it has hit another green candlestick. It is up just over near about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. As you guys can see, throughout the last 24 hours it has been consistently gaining value. So we'll be going through the usual, looking at what is this next target. Is it going to double up in value over the next couple of days? Going into next week, guys, what can we expect from Bonk? And also looking at towards the end of November, early December, what can we expect? Can we expect a price correction where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip with the crypto market? And also going into December and 2025, how high and how low this crypto is likely to go? And is a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and Bonk has literally hit a new all-time high for this year. As you guys can see, it's been pumping up quite a bit over the last more than a week, guys. About 2 weeks time, it's been hitting green candles more or less and has been performing very well. So let's hide this for now and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can still see that Bonk is trading way above its average value here in purple, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both slanting towards the bullish direction, looking quite bullish. Again, they're not looking too steep, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Bonk should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, nothing too crazy. I'm not expecting it to go for a major breakout or a major pump, but a slight increase in value is what I'm expecting. We should see more green candlesticks over the next couple of hours, and it should carry on at a slow and steady pace in a bullish direction, with of course the odd red candles in between as well. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So let's move on to the hourly chart now. Over the next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is also looking slightly bullish. It does look like they're going in a straight line, however they are just about slanting towards the bullish direction. So again, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, Bonk should again be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And again, it's not going to be a consistent green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course, do expect the odd red day in between, but again, as I mentioned, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Again, the crypto market does look like it's down at the moment because we're seeing all these red percentages and so on. However, that is only for the last 24 hours. Overall, guys, it is still up. Bitcoin has taken a little bit of a rest, shall I say. It's been at $90,000 for the last 2 days, and it should be back up to around $95,000 by the end of next week, which should also have a positive impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies in a bullish direction. So let's move on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. What can we see here? Now, it is not realistic because the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And yes, they are looking very steep. So that's why it's not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, towards the very end of this year, early next year, so January 2025, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Yes, may come across as a shock for you guys. However, I'm not expecting Bonk to go for a major breakout, even if Bitcoin and majority of the cryptocurrencies are. Reason being is Bonk is an altcoin, guys, so I'm not expecting it to carry on pumping like Bitcoin would or Ethereum would. In fact, yes, I'm expecting it to pump over the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. However, come December, so mid to late December, early January, it should start to go for a price correction, take dips, red candles, and dropping back down at a lower value than where it is at the moment. It should be dropping down to where about the purple figure is here, is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at. However, if there are any major collaborations or partnerships that they go through, then of course this will have a major impact on its value, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as possible. But at the moment, this is my prediction on Bonk. But again, Bonk is a crypto that I cover on a regular basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel to keep in the loop on my expectations and predictions on this crypto, as well as the crypto market in general. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here, so let me move that up a little bit. And again, the crypto has broken out over the last week or so from the green zone into the dark green zone into the blue zone, and right now into the top tier level. What I'm essentially expecting is, yes, it should stay in the top tier level over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, but then I'm expecting it to slowly start to hit red candles down to the blue zone, dark green zone, and into the green zone, and then hovering around that price range in early January to February. But of course, if there are any changes in between, I will keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has once again gone up 73% in the last 24 hours, which is currently nearly hitting $3 billion in trading, guys, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Bonk. And we're seeing a lot more people engaging with the crypto, and a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers, as it has been gaining an insane amount of value over the last week, over 100%, and it's still going, and it should still be hitting green candles over the coming days as mentioned earlier on. So can Bonk get rid of 1-0 in 2024, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below what your takes and your predictions are on that. Comment. I've seen a lot of people saying it's likely to get rid of 2 zeros, which I highly doubt. 2 zeros is a bit of a push. However, it could potentially get rid of 1 0, but even that is a little bit of a push. Let me know in the comment section down below what your takes are on that, and also what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024. Let me know, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. At the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.